Armand here with Hydro's Garage. I'm really excited to bring you guys a new episode today. Today we're talking about HydroSilex Tire Shine. We get a lot of questions about this product and you might find this kind of crazy, but I'm going to walk you guys through a tutorial today on how to properly apply the Tire Shine and get the best possible result from this product. Our Tire Shine is a water-based product, but it is SiO2/ceramic infused. What that does for you, it really gives you a durability, protection, shine without overdoing it, and it also has a no-sling technology. So once you apply it to the tire, it's not going to shoot up the entire side of the vehicle the second that you start driving. So I just want to walk you through the proper steps on how to prep the tire and apply the Tire Shine so you get the best possible result. As you know, or you might not know, our Tire Shine used to be called HydroSilex Slick. This was our original Tire Shine formula. We had a lot of positive feedback on this product, but we like to go above and beyond and make sure that we're engineering and designing the best possible products for you guys so you get the best performance. We basically have a new version of the HydroSilex Slick. We now call it Tire Shine to eliminate any confusion about the product and what it does. This is our new label, and this is a revised formula. This is basically Tire Shine 2.0. It provides you with more durability, more shine, more protection, and will last for a longer period of time, giving you the ultimate in Tire Shine. So what I'm going to do today is I just want to walk you guys through the proper steps on how to prep your tire and apply this new Tire Shine so that you guys can have some awesome looking tires for weeks to come. So check this out. Okay, so here we have a standard wheel and tire, of course, and let's just pretend that we washed the car so the car is clean and the wheels are clean. You want to make sure that the most important thing when going to apply Tire Shine is that the tire is dry. If the tire is wet, the Tire Shine will not apply and you'll get a very spotty application around the surface of the tire and it just won't look good for you guys. So the number one thing that I always recommend to everybody is to make sure that the tire is dry. Two things that you need to have a successful install is obviously an applicator pad, which we sell, and our Tire Shine. So what you want to do is you want to take the applicator, you want to apply some Tire Shine to it, just a fair amount, but nothing too crazy. And the way I like to do it is I like to take a little bit, kind of spread it out in different parts of the tire, just like that. Helps you kind of get a little bit more of an even application throughout the tire. And then you simply take the applicator and you rub it in just like this. Once again, making sure that there's no water on the tire, because if there is, it will not apply evenly. The really cool thing about our Tire Shine is that you can actually apply multiple coats to increase the shine and look of the tire. So basically that was one coat, it was kind of light. I'm going to go over it a second time just to apply a little bit more. So just take a look at this right here. Go around, go nice and evenly. You'll see that it does a really good job of making the black tire shine, pop, but not be too wet. This kind of comes with the no-sling technology, so I don't have a lot of buildup in the cracks and crevices of the tire, which is what creates that sling. So as soon as it gets on there, it really dries and absorbs into the rubber, giving you less sling up the side of the car. And the last thing that you want is black spots all along the side of the car. And I'm sure you've seen that many times before in the past. So it's pretty straightforward to apply the Tire Shine. That's pretty much about it right there. You can let this dry for about 20 minutes. And once you do that, you can come back and put an additional layer onto it and really kind of build up the shine and build up the protection. You should see about a week and a half to 2 weeks out of one single wash and Tire Shine application on it. And just layer the product as desired. And that's pretty much all you need to do to apply the Tire Shine successfully. Alright guys, so that wraps up our quick tutorial on how to apply a HydroSilex Tire Shine to your car. As you know, the Slick is our old Tire Shine formulation. This is our new one. It's the bigger, badder brother. It really improves durability, shine, and protection. I recommend you go to hydrosilex.com, pick some up for yourself. If you haven't tried it, I know you'll love it. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I hope you guys like and subscribe to our channel. Drop us any comments in the comment section below, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Thanks so much.